Hello, I want to show you a small tutorial how to add an NPC in Dark Souls 1 without lure. You need Smithbox and Dark Script. Just open up Smithbox. You have to set up your mod folder and create a project and open here and go to your game file. First go to Visual Map Editor. Open up for beginning filing shrine. I recommend this one. Anyone is possible, but just first this, because here are the most NPCs. The problem is, without rewriting the lure of a game, you can only use the AIs of the already implemented one in each region. Like here you have Sequard, you have Patches, you have Crestfallen Knight, you have Logan, but you don't have Iron Tarkus of Ascent's Fortress, for example. So you have to choose wise which one you use, because like the Holy Knights, they can use one-handed weapons and miracles or spells, but others won't. One example, the Crestfallen Knight don't. He uses just sword, shield and sometimes two-wielding, while Logan is mostly casting spells, while the Pyromancer here is using a dagger and spells or something, I guess. So I, for example, use now here the Holy Knight, just duplicating with Ctrl and D. It's an easier thing than creating a new one with Shift E, turn around, Shift V, W, place it down on the blue line, on the blue thing. That's the collision map. The violet is the nav mesh. You can turn it off, so you can really see the collisions right now. Okay, it's looking good. Oh, it's so. You see, I've copied it from this collision here. You have to change it because here's another one. Just take the name of a collision, go to your NPC, go down there, collision name, paste it into saving so that you don't have any errors. So for first thing, give it a unique number. Lightning, shadows, and here you have NPC think param. That's the behavior. You can change it to Logan, to Sequard or anybody else. It is in this region already implemented. You can change a little bit, but not so much in the param editor. Here in the NPC param editor you can see, like, is he respawning, is he not, there are special effects, is he an invader, something like this more. And the scaling of the area, very important. Dark Script you can change this too, but I'm not so eager to show anything of this, it's a little bit more complicated. You can make it move to points. These here, pyramids here are the points. Here you see point. You can take the name and let him walk around. But the most important thing is the character initialization ID. Here we have a 680. Go to param editor. Go to character initiation param, init param. Take in the number here and duplicate it. So we have now 682, but I want to use 3 just for other reasons. So now you can see here are the equipment, the weapons in each hand, the armor, here are the spells that are equipped. This Holy Knight is only using these 2 spells. Even if you give him the 3rd one, he won't use it because of the AI. The AI don't know what he's wielding. And this is another important thing, that's the face and the looks. I take this here, you go down to face gen param, and you can create a new one or just copy another one. For example, Numa Woman, I take her and give him this looks right now. Here are the stats. soul level, vitality, willpower, endurance, etc. And here are the body parts measurements. Here's the NPC player type, that's important to. You can play around with it, like making an enemy or something. I recommend using village at most of the time. The drawing type, if is this a phantom or something like this, and the player sex, right now it's a woman, female, so it's okay in this way. And it's a dark wave and covenant now. I would recommend changing the name. You and it Viewer. In save. I go back visual. Now I can go here and push to 3 and you see Fiora is here. Correct initiation, so she will look like this now. I use the idle animation from the praying situation of the Saints girl and to give it to idle animation so that she's praying too. Praying. And another thing is we change is the NPC param ID. Go to param editor, go to down to NPC param. Here's the thinking. You can change a little bit in thinking, like if he's approaching more, so we go here to Tolund again. Duplicate it. Okay. Give him a 3 again. Call in Fura. Saving. And here are, like, this here is the area scaling, Undead Asylum. Make it a little bit stronger. Now it's Darkwood Garden. And here's important which enemy type he is. That's really important. Like, is he aggressive? Is he attacking you? And here's NPC type. Is he standard enemy and so on if he's an enemy. Another important thing is here, disable respawn. Right now I want that he is respawning, so I disable it. Now I go here, just take this, or just whoop, and here's no Fura. And that's all for the character setup. So right now I take the entity ID, go to DarkScript, open up the project in Dark Souls Remastered, events, there's the common EMEVD, Dark Souls settings, and go to Firing Shrine. That's the scripting. It's looking terrible, you don't have to know much about it, just know that there's something like this. So here are the codes I already set up. Just copy it, and so I have an empty one here I previously made, just and give him the variables here. So it's just saying if he's hurt, make him angry and set him a flag. That's all. So here's the function name. You use this function name, go up and set it up in initialization. With each function has to be initiated anywhere. I recommend in event 0 or in event 50. And go here, and I already set up this function here, so it's already initiated. Just copy it and that's all. Saving, and it's already saved in the Dark Souls folder itself, but not for the Smithbox one. So you have to, because the changes in the map editor and in the params isn't automatically in the main game, because I have made it in a separate folder. So you open up each folders. So, scroll down. Take the param, the map, and just put it here and let it overwrite into the Dark Souls game folder. And now you can play the mod. Now she's angry because of her coding.